my name is Deira.
Hi, my name is Knisego.
Hi, my name is Rishabh Ravish Gowda.
Hi, my name is Khalid bin Lahaj.
Hi, my name is Deira.
I realize that money management is an important lesson in our lives and that we should all learn it.
Offered the program to learn about financial stabilities and finance, and I really enjoyed that program because we learned that there's more to debts than you actually think. It's not always bad, and it could be useful for you and it could be good for you.
I thank KFI Global for teaching me that life is simple but not easy, and teaching me about financial management.
I really enjoyed these few days with this program.
Hi, my name is Mr. Iqbal and I'm the head of Year 10 at Deira International School. And I've just seen 2 days of my students going through the financial awareness course run by KFI Global. And I can say myself, I've learned so much from the session, and I think back to when I was 18 and where was this sort of training for me when all these banks were offering you credit cards, overdrafts and all these sorts of things, and you're going into this world at 18 and people expect you to know everything. And the truth is we know very little. So I'm very grateful that my students have had the opportunity to go through this session, and I thank the KFI Global team and the Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring it.